In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer notes from Android to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Notes app you use, I'm going to give you instructions on how you can transfer the notes from that Android device to a laptop. You will be able to manage, edit, create new notes, and whatever you want to do directly on your laptop. And you will see all of your pre-existing ones from the Android device. So in this example here, I have Mi Notes, Google Keep, and Samsung Notes. All of these apps are different, and the process might be slightly different as well, but in general, the idea is the same. For this process, we are going to be using Google Keep, so sadly, if you have Samsung Notes or Xiaomi Notes, you will need to download Google Keep and import your notes from Samsung and from Mi Notes into Google Keep. There might be other methods available, but like I said, for this particular video, this is the one that I want to showcase. The reason for this is because Google Keep is also available on your laptop or on your PC by simply visiting a website, so you don't even need to download an application. Just go to keep.google.com, and in here you can manage all of your notes. So this is why we want to import the notes from one of these applications into Google Keep. When you open one of these apps, so in this example here, Mi Notes, you can choose a specific note and then select the share option here. By choosing Share Note, you will be able to save it as a file that you can open with Google Keep, so you can import it into Google Keep, or you might be able to find the option to send it straight to Google Keep after you have it downloaded and you choose the Share button. Regardless, you just need to find a way to grab the note and import it into Google Keep. With this done, once you have Google Keep good to go and you have the notes imported, they are going to be available by going over to keep.google.com. I don't have any notes, so there's nothing here, but if you do, they are going to appear, and you will be able to create new ones, give it a title, so on, and you manage all of your notes through the website. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.